Hi, I am Nitya, India's #1 crore consultant.
I have helped 10,000 students to earn their first
1 करोड़. क्या तुम्हें भी करोड़पति बनना है? Just book a call now.
Okay, in this video, I'll be setting a goal of 1 crore rupees, which I'll be earning through multiple ways. And on the way, we will be bursting various social media gimmicks around earning money. But there is a catch. Now have a look at this bar on the top. Right now, it is at 0. And every time we earn some money, the bar will move towards our goal of 1 crore rupees. But do keep in mind that this is over a time period of 10 years. Chalo, I'm excited. Let's start.
देखो बेटा, तुम्हें बिजनेस अच्छे से करना चाहिए और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है churn rate, which is basically the rate of attrition and that is.
लेकिन मुझे बिजनेस नहीं करना है ना, मतलब I want to earn the money in my current profession.
Oh, then you should try investing. Wait beta, I have the right guy for you. Hey man, what's up? How's life?
Everything is good. How are you?
Yo, I'm telling you bro, you should invest in this crypto. This cryptocurrency is giving 100% return in 2 days.
Honestly, investing is not something to get rich quickly. Be it crypto or penny stocks. Okay, so penny stocks are basically stocks that have very cheap values and that have a huge upside to move, but at the same time they are very risky. So no, these are not a good way to grow your wealth. But let me give you some really practical tips that you can use. So if you invest 8,000 rupees into an SIP, it can be any SIP, be it stocks or mutual funds or anything, and increase it by 20% every year. And let's assume that you get a return of 12% per annum. So by the end of 10 years, guess how much money you'll have? 40 lakh rupees. Yes. But this is just the beginning. Let's see what else we can get into.
तुम MLM ट्राई करो. MLM से यू करोड़पति बन सकते हैं. यू तुम एक्सपर्ट गुरुजी से बात कर लो. ये मेरा iPhone 17 देख रहे हो? ये मैंने लोन हार्डवर्क करके लिया है. 3 साल पहले मैं भी एक छोटी कंपनी में था और आज देखो मैं लोगों के सपने पूरे कर रहा हूँ.
और आप कौन सा कोर्स बेच रहे हो?
ना कोर्स नहीं बेचना, नेटवर्क बनाना. हेलो.
और बनाने के बाद?
उसके बाद कोर्स बेचना है.
MLM or multi-level marketing, think of this as you selling a product to someone and then they are again selling that product to someone else, and when they sell it, you get a small cut of the commission. But this won't take you far. Think of the effort that you put in to sell the product and you get a very small cut of the commission. So the effort to reward ratio does not fit right. Also, a lot of these MLM schemes are fake schemes. एक मिनट MLM स्कैम है, वो नहीं करना. आप कुछ और बताओ.
वो तो मुझे भी पता है. एक काम करो, फिर ऑनलाइन एजेंसी स्टार्ट कर लो.
एजेंसी जैसे कि एडिटिंग एजेंसी?
एग्जैक्टली. फिर यू कैन अर्न 1 करोड़.
See, I know, agency model seems very tempting, but honestly scaling all of this is going to be very hard. You have to manage your clients, you have to manage your employees, and this will take years and years. And this is not something that you can build passively. But yes, what you can do is to learn the skills. Let it be video editing or graphic designing. These skills will actually give you a head start into freelancing. तो आई थिंक अगर मैं फ्रीलांसिंग से हर महीने 6,000 कमा लूँ तो?
एग्जैक्टली, मैं भी वही बोलने वाला था.
हाँ, तो फ्रीलांसिंग बेटर रहेगा.
1 मिनट, फ्रीलांसिंग के लिए आई हैव एन एक्सपर्ट.
फ्रीलांसिंग एक्सपर्ट. आई नो.
देखो, फ्रीलांसिंग मतलब फ्रीडम, समझ रहे हो? आज़ादी. घर बैठे यू कैन स्टार्ट अर्निंग, वो भी बिना किसी मेहनत के. मुझे देखो, आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम नथिंग और अभी मैं एक रील का 1 करोड़ कमाता हूं।
सर चाय का 10 रुपए
मेरे 1 करोड़ से काट लेना।
Learning something like video editing, graphic designing, or even content writing can give you some real money. Even if you start very small, like let's say you earn somewhere around 6,000 rupees a month, that will give you a total of 72,000 rupees in a year. Now imagine putting this 72,000 into your SIP. We all buy some items every year, like let us say we buy a phone, we spend some money on shopping, fancy clothes, dinner. Now, I'm not saying that we should not be doing all that, but let us say that we cut it down a little bit, then maybe we can take somewhere around rupees 48,000. So now we have, combining the freelancing and the extra money that we are saving, a total of 1,20,000 that we can add into the SIP every single year.
बेटा ये सब तो ठीक है, पर गोल्ड के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
अब गोल्ड में भी कोई कोर्स है क्या?
नहीं, बट एक दोस्त है।
So we Indians have been saving gold for years. Yes, gold. But there is a smarter way that instead of buying gold ornaments or physical gold, we can invest into gold ETFs or into gold SIPs. We have a separate video on diversifying your portfolio where we have mentioned more details about gold ETFs and everything. You can go and check that out. Okay, now let us suppose that you invest an additional 8,000 rupees into a gold SIP, which you increase by 20% every single year. And if we take an average of the last 3 years returns, gold has given around roughly 11%, and that takes our total to... Okay, here's a bonus tip. If you are someone that wants to achieve this 1 crore corpus in maybe 7 or 8 years, then you can increase your monthly investments on how early you want to achieve those results. Now see, the harsh truth is that no single investment or no single career plan will make you 1 crore the fastest. But if you make the right habits, the right choices, if you start investing earlier and do it in a disciplined way, then you'll surely get your corpus in the time that you desire. And that is how you will build financial freedom.
शिट यार, आज सिर्फ 1.5 करोड़ का कोर्स बिका है।